In this section we're going to talk about the groupings and options that are available within the balancing module of Timer Pro Professional. Many clients with long takt times often have many steps in their process, and this can become very cumbersome to look at all the detail all the time. So what they want to do is they want to be able to group certain blocks of activities into larger activities to make it easy for them to review what's going on, and also to produce packages for the line. For instance, they might produce a package for each of the individual stations in the line they see here. So rather than producing a work instruction that shows everything, they want to just focus on one particular section of the line that they might be concerned with in that particular point. So create a package of documentation to go with this. And this is all controlled out of the groupings and options area over here. So what you have to be to start is you have to be in the home area here, and you have to come over here to show all detail. And you click on that and the colours will change just like it does with many of the other options here. What we're going to do is come up to the assign groupings option up here. And you can see right now there's nothing in here. So let's say we're just focusing on this first activity over here, this one here. And let's say we're going to break it into three parts. And those three parts are going to be parts production, the first couple of activities, then maybe some setup, the next three activities, and then oven process up here. So we want to create those groupings here. So what we do is edit the groups here, and we just add them. So the first one's going to be parts production, and we save that, and let's assign the yellow color. And then the next one is going to be setup, and we assign a color to that also. And the last one is going to be the oven process, and assign a color to that as well. Let's make that green here. Okay, now we're done that. So we've defined our three groupings for the first area here. We say we're done, and they're right available to us here. All you do is you highlight the option you wish to deal with, part production, and then you just click the mouse on the elements that are associated with that. So let's say these two are part production, the next three are setup, and the last two are oven process. So these are going to be grouped together here into these particular headings. And if I come up here and I click on show all groupings, you'll see what happens. All the detail disappears, and now we just see the larger elements here. So that's the beauty of having the groupings. You can make complicated processes appear simpler to the end user, and when we actually produce the reporting package out of this, we will actually produce a reporting package for the mold parts, and there will be major sections, and then there'll be other sheets behind that detailing all the detail that goes into this right here.